Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 45 tutorial video. In this video, we'll be doing the initial setup of the Garmin Forerunner 45. So this video can be useful if you just got the Garmin Forerunner 45 and you need to set it up and pair it with your phone, or if you did a factory reset of it and you're not sure how to get it set up. So the first thing we're going to do to turn it on is hold down the light button until we see the Garmin emblem. And if you don't see that, go ahead and plug the charger in on your Garmin Forerunner 45 because it might need to be charged before we can get it set up. So once you see all the languages displayed, go ahead and select your language. I'll be selecting English, but you can scroll through this list using the up and down button right here. And once you want to select it, use the start and stop button. In this tutorial, we'll be using our cell phones and the Garmin Connect app to pair this with our phones and set it up. So we're going to select yes. But if you were doing this with a computer, you would want to select no and go through other instructions from Garmin. So we'll be selecting yes using the start or stop button. On your phone, you'll need to go to your respective app store and download the Garmin Connect app. This is required to have the watch set up with your phone. Once you get it installed, go ahead and open it up, and you'll need to log in and create an account. Once you've created an account and you have the app open up the menu by selecting these three lines in the top left, then go to the bottom and select Garmin Devices. In Garmin Devices, we can select the bottom right here to add a device, and then we should see the Garmin Forerunner 45 come up and we can select Connect It. Select OK. Now the Garmin 45 is going to display some numbers. We need to type those in on our phone. Select OK after doing that. Now that our phone is going to establish a connection with the watch and start doing a sync. If you have multiple Garmin watches, you just want to select if you want to make this your current tracker, which is your current watch. I'm going to select yes. All right, so now that we've completed it, we need to go through a couple steps just to ensure we have it set up. So we'll select next. Right here, we're selecting our sleep time, and this will prevent the watch from waking us up with notifications while we sleep. So you want to set your sleep time when you go to sleep and when you wake up, and then select right here. I select no so that I don't receive notifications during that time. Select next once you're complete. After that, I recommend selecting yes because if you have multiple Garmin watches or Garmin watches in the past, this will allow it to sync the data with those watches onto this watch. So select next after this. And then we're going to perform our initial sync with the watch by just selecting sync now. Now we're done and we completed our setup of the Garmin Forerunner 45. You can select finish and then start using your Garmin Forerunner 45. So that's how you perform the initial setup of your Garmin Forerunner 45. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 45 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.